Welcome back. This is our second tutorial on Mahara, and today I'm going to talk specifically about the profile. Okay, go to the profile tab and click on that. Okay, you'll notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs at the top here. It's important that you go through and fill out each of these in turn. About me, that's me. First name, last name, my employer ID, and you can write an introduction if you like as well. Okay, so let's have a look at contact information. Okay, so you'll notice the email address, official website, personal web address, blog address, etc. and where you live. Okay, so let's try messaging. Okay, many of you will have an ICQ number or an MSN chat name. At this stage, I've only got a Skype username, and you'll see that's there. Lastly, let's look at general. General is very simple: your occupation and your industry. For me, that's an academic and education. Okay, you'll notice automatically up here that it went to edit profile. Okay, you can view your profile page by clicking here. Now I've actually built a profile page, as you can see, with a bit of bits and pieces. I've actually got my e-learning blog on the right hand side. But if you want to edit your profile page, then you go up here to edit profile page. Okay, you'll notice now that you've got a number of things that you can actually insert into your profile page. And this looks very similar to my portfolio and the views. You can insert the blogs that you've put together in Mahara. You can insert external feeds, which is your things like your professional blog or other people's blogs. You can insert files, images and video. You can insert a text box under general. And you can also insert parts of your profile and your resume. Basically just by dragging whichever one is in here, any one of these boxes, dragging them down and putting them in your profile. Just like that. I won't do that. Okay, so if we go down and look what we've got here, you can see that I have two columns in my profile page, one here and one here. You can see over here I've selected my groups and included those, and that's about all I've got. I don't use my profile page a great deal. Okay. Now you could also insert profile icons. For example, this picture here of me is a profile icon. So we go up here, profile icons, click on that, and you'll see that I've got two images here. One is an image of me, another one is an image of the fire pit that I built. If I wanted to change that and make that as my image, I could actually just click on there, set as default, and it's all done. I can upload another icon. In your case, you'll have to upload a picture of yourself or something like that. And notice that you can't upload it if they're more than if they're less than 16 by 16 pixels or 1024 by 1024. So it's got to be somewhere in between. You just browse, find the particular file that you want, type your image title in and then upload it. I've got mine there, so I won't bother about that. Okay, as part of your profile, or your resume actually comes in as part of your profile as well. So if we click my resume, you'll notice that you can put a covering letter in, put your interests. Okay, I've got a few interesting interests there. Okay, and contact information, place of birth, date of birth, etc, etc, etc. I can also put in employment history. Because I've been around, I've done quite a few things, so mine's quite extensive. Education history, both in terms of vocational education down here and professional education up here. I've included mine. I've also put in my books and publications. So I've got a few. And also professional membership, which is the College of Teachers, Queensland College of Teachers, QCT. Okay. So you can insert all of that. You can also include your goals. Okay. Both personal, academic and career goals, and also your skills. Personal skills, academic skills and work skills. Okay, so today we've looked at profile. We've talked about editing the profile information and the tabs across here. We've talked about viewing the profile page. We've talked about uploading profile icons and also how to put your resume together in that area. Stay tuned, there'll be more soon.